Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are live after 5 a.m. and we are already at 1:02 p.m. and we are in period 6. And today is the concept of creating a hybrid animal in Gimp 2.8. Okay, which they love to call Photoshop, but are we in Photoshop? No, we are in Gimp 2.8. So today it's called the Great White Puppy assignment, but we've already done the Great White Puppy. So we're going to do, I like Howard's idea, we're going to do the bird cheetah. Cheetah. We're going to do a bird cheetah. So we're going to find a bird cheetah today, and I heard they are coming to Westchester and Fairfield area. So first thing we got to do is go find our two animals on, okay. What did you say? Bird body, cheetah head? Okay. So the next thing I need to do is find an exotic bird. Images. Ooh. Oh, look at that one. It's almost the same color. Look at that one. It's been photoshopped. You guys see that? Hillary is a bird. Right there. I'm liking this guy right here. I'm thinking cheetah all the way right there, man. Right there. Don't you see some cheetah in there? What? I think it's going to look better if we take the bird head and put it on the cheetah. Do you? Okay. So, I'm going to go to View Image, right-click, Save Image As. Okay. Then I'm going to go back to my cheetah. What about this one right here running? Okay, so View Image, right-click, Save Image As. Okay. And now, if I was you guys, I would shut everything down in Gimp. By the way, this is a public service announcement. Guys, I had this discussion with my last period class. When they finished this assignment, they started like messing around with the keyboards and trying to make the screen freak out. If I see that, that's not good. Are you with me? We have brand new computers. Your job is to learn how they behave and to operate them. Are you with me? Not to be destructive with them. So please work on your assignment. When you're done, continue to play in Gimp. Play around. Do another one. Are you with me? Take the bird head and put it on the cheetah, and then take the cheetah head and put it on the bird. Keep playing around with Gimp so you get practice at Gimp. Are you with me? At no time is it acceptable to mess with the computers to try to do them harm. Freak the screen out. You can't do that, okay? I know you guys aren't doing it. You're doing a great job, but just it came to my mind. So I'm going to close everything down in Gimp just to kind of start over. I'm going to right-click and get the bird. You're going to say Open with Gimp. That bird opens up in Gimp. And then you want to do the exact same thing for the cheetah. Right-click. Wow, they'd also look pretty good on this dog here right now. Right-click, open. How many people know how to open something with Gimp now? Okay, very good. That's a good skill to learn. Okay, so once you have your two windows opened up in Gimp, Okay. Um, I think you can drag this window over. All right. So what I'm going to do, that was cool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the alpha channel to this bird, take my lasso, and cut out parts of this bird. I like this real pretty part of the head here. This bird's nice. It's got real nice lines. You come back to the front, and you're going to go select invert, hit delete, and there it is. So now you can crop the bird head. Okay. And now, if I do this correctly, I can go ahead and use my rectangular select tool around this, right click, edit, copy, visible, and now I can come over to the tiger, or I'm sorry, the cheetah, and I can select an area right here, and I can go select, edit, paste into. Okay, hit Control Z, Control Z. I can just right click, edit, paste into, and there it is. Do you guys see the bird head there? And now I want to use my scale tool. This head's too big. Are you with me? It's like blanketing. So now you're going to use your scale tool, and you just want to drag this scale to a better size. And it's going to take some playing around. Okay, just play with it. Play with it. Play with it. And then there's also the move tool. Do you guys remember studying the move tool yesterday with all the arrows? Now I can drag it. Yeah. It won't? Did you drag a rectangular select around it? On the other one. Yeah. Drag a rectangular select around it. Right click. Edit, copy. Go to your other one. Is that opened up in Gimp? Right click. Paste into. Working? Okay, you got to do it slowly. He'll show you how to do it. He just did it. So, come up here. Give this guy, I'm going to scale this guy a little bit more, I think. And then there's the rotate tool. So you click on this, you can gently rotate it. Okay. And I can rotate this. You got to do it gently. Okay. And then you can move it. All right. Rotate it. Um, Rotate it, move it. If you mess up, just start over again. You know what I mean? So, file, export as my Cheetah .png, and now I've got some time left, so why don't we, yeah, I'll do a bunch of Control Z's here. That's pretty cool, isn't it? And now, what happens if we took a cheetah head, right? So select, Control Z this. So I'm gonna select like the bird body. Going around the cheetah here. Now I'm gonna take the cheetah head and actually put it on the bird. Okay. Select, invert, hit delete. Right click, add alpha channel, color pick the white, hit delete. Crop this. Double click. Let's come over here, hit Control Z a bunch of times. Okay. Now I'm going to go do the opposite. I'm going to right click, edit, copy. Come over here, right click, edit, paste into. Yeah. Not working, so just carefully go back, select this, right click, edit, copy visible. Come over here, right click, edit, paste into. There it is. You guys see my tiger head? Okay. And now this just needs to scale up so it's bigger. I kind of like it right there. What do you guys think of my cheetah bird? Okay. And then what we could do, this would be cool. Watch this. If you could like select some of this stuff here. Watch this. Watch this. You could go free select here. Watch this. I'm going to show you guys a little trick here. And now I can go right click, edit, copy, copy visible, and then edit, paste. Uh-oh. I was hoping it was going to let me put it over top of the... Edit, copy, edit, paste. There we go. You guys see how I could start moving this up into here? And let me see if I can rotate this now. Oh, that was a scale tool. Sorry. I want a rotate tool. Where's my rotate? There it is. Rotate. You can rotate this guy right here. Give him some more bird feathers. You guys see what I'm doing? How you can rotate it and just move it around? See what I'm doing? You can have all kinds of fun with this. I can't say it looks great, but I'm just trying to show you this as an example of what you cannot do. Okay? Maybe I wanted some more hair around him, like this little hair back here. And you can just hit edit, copy, edit, paste. You got another one up here. Edit, paste again. Yeah, you can just keep putting these up here. Edit, paste. Keep dragging these around, these feathers. Edit, paste. You guys see what I'm doing? And there you go. That's my export as Cheetah bird. Okay. Now, could I create a mobile app with that as one of my characters in there?
Yes.
Yeah, I could. Okay. Okay. How many people understand what they're doing today? All right. I hope this video helps. That's how you do a little bit of the hybrid animals in Gimp. The golden pheasant. We took the golden pheasant and mixed it with a cheetah today. Bear squirrel. These are real. They have McKeener Park. If you believe that, we all have problems. All right, hope this video helps. We'll talk to you soon. Hope this helps, and remember to subscribe to the channel, and hope the videos help. Keep calm, and Gimp on.